When the bad weather hits, we never fear because us detailers know how to clean up a messy car. Most of us focus on cleaning the exterior and overlook areas inside of the car like the floor mats. I'm going to show you my favorite way to clean floor mats and achieve superior results. So my favorite way to clean floor mats is with a power washer, some Simple Green, preferably a drill brush if you have one. If you don't have a drill brush, you can just use a regular brush. These are super useful. You can get them on Amazon, Home Depot, AutoZone, whatever. I'll link one down below if you guys are looking for them. In fact, I'll link all of this. My favorite thing is to go ahead and spray it first, spray it all down, then let it sit with Simple Green for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes with the Simple Green on it. You'll mix it in with the drill brush for a couple more minutes and then use the drill brush on it again and then spray it off. Sometimes that takes 2 times to do that, but I'll show you kind of the process here. So I spray it off first. While it's wet, and again, don't let this dry. You never want to let chemicals dry on what you're spraying, but I go ahead and spray it down with some Simple Green. And I just let it soak. And then I take the drill brush and kind of start working it in. And it's not hot out today, so I'll let this kind of just dwell on here for about 2 minutes. And then I'll use this one more time, the drill brush, and then we'll spray it off and it will turn out beautiful. So we've let this set for about 2 minutes. Again, it's not a very hot day today, so we're not worried about it drying, but we're gonna go ahead and mix it up one more time. Perfect. And one more time, I'll mention again, this is Simple Green, but it's mixed. It's Simple Green concentrate. It's mixed 1-to-1 with distilled water and the concentrate in this bottle. So we're gonna go ahead and spray this off now. Perfect. So lastly, what I like to do is take an air compressor, if you have one, and blow all the standing water off of this, and then we can dry it with a towel or just let it air dry. As you're blowing this off, it helps to go along the grooves instead of against them. You'll get more water off that way. And the back side. Now if you'd like, you can take a microfiber rag and dry the rest of this off. You can let it air dry as well, but you're gonna get better results if you get all the water off of it, especially if you live in an area with hard water, which I do. There's your near perfect floor mat.